Hey viewers, this is the Zippo trick tutorial on Mr. Clark. Okay, so start off with the hinge pointing away from your palm, so the cap is towards you, and you're going to want to flick it open with your index finger like that. And now that it's open, you're going to then hold it between your index and middle finger, and then twist it around, so then you could then catch it with your ring finger, and then after that let go with your index finger, so then it's like that. So open, twist, twist. Okay, so now that you have that done, you're then going to want to twist it once more, so then your pinky could hold it too, so then it goes to that. Now this may be almost impossible for some of you, but with enough practice I'm sure you'll get it down. So like that. So basically you're just twisting it around all fingers until it gets to this point, and then once it gets to this point, you're then going to twist it one more time, so that the Zippo ends up upside down, and then you could ignite it with your middle finger like that. So once more, open, twist, 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 ignite, and there you go. So now that you have learned this trick, I would like to see you post a video response of you doing the trick as well, and I would love to go check it out.